very tasty. Probably very salty because again, this is a concentrated amount. And then I'm gonna add my water because we've added everything we needed. So next comes the water. We bring the water to a boil. It's gonna be 4 cups of water. You know how for salt we did the amount of cups minus 1, and we got 2. So we're gonna do kind of the opposite for water. We're gonna do the amount. Let me see, I'm trying to pour and hold this at the same time. The amount of cups of rice plus 1. So this is 2 cups. It's a 2-cup container. A pirate. Oh, no better. I'm gonna fill it again to make it 4. So it'll take you a little longer if you're not using a big pot. And the reason I'm doing 4 cups and only 3 cups of rice, you guys, is because honestly, we're using a rice that is perfect for beginners. It's called hard-boiled rice. And we're like, hard-boiled? That sounds like hard-boiled, like hard-boiled eggs. And if you thought that, great, we're on the same wavelength. And if you didn't think that, then that's okay too. And the reason it's called that, you guys, is because it's pre-cooked. It's rice that has been boiled with the husk on, and then after it dries, they peel it off. So it's gonna look not really like brown rice and not fully like white rice. It'll be somewhere in between. Some people might think that this water is not like orange enough, it's not red enough, it doesn't have a deep saturated color yet. But that's okay, we don't need our food to be fluorescent orange, people. Neon orange is not what we're looking for. Like if you eat Doritos, it's loaded with MSG, monosodium glutamate. That's exactly why I don't use Sazon Goya anymore, the orange packs, because of that same reason. So with that said, there it is. It's gonna start to boil really quickly. So I'm gonna pause it here, you guys, so I can go wash the rice. I'll show you what it looks like.